In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily repost stories on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then once you find a story you would like to repost, first of all you need to tap right here, and then we will be able to share this story with our friends on Instagram via DMs. To do that, just check mark those friends whom you want to share this story with, and then we can tap right here at that button to share a particular story with our friends. If we would like to repost the story, there is a way how we can do so. We just need to tap right here where it says copy link to copy the link to that particular story to your clipboard. And then let's say we would like to repost that story on our own story. To do that, I'm just gonna swipe to the right, tap at create, and then we are able to add link sticker to our story and then paste the URL we have just copied. To do that, I'm gonna tap add stickers, select link, and then just paste the URL to that particular story that we would like to repost. Then when we share it, also we can actually add some text here. Click on the link, and then we can also add there some pictures, some effects, and then once we are done with that, we can share this story with our followers, and then anyone who tap at that widget or sticker will be taken to this story which URL we have pasted in that sticker. That's how you can easily repost stories on Instagram.